Got a little updated video after a month on this frame. Ooh, there's my piecework. Been driving it for about 3 weeks now. It can be done. Haven't had any movement. I've heard some pops and snaps, but all the welds and everything's still good. Over here. Oh, that's a squeeze. All right. Sorry, it's a camera phone. Back here. I forgot to prime that. Shit. I want to keep this primed because I'm probably going to keep adding. But I've been driving her, and I've been driving her like a normal truck. It hasn't shifted. So if somebody says, oh, you can't weld that frame, well, that's all on the person and what they can do and how much patience you have. Ain't about skills. There ain't no skills here. It's about thinking about how you're gonna do this. Luckily, I still had a frame to make a guide, basically. The frame is my guide. Just follow the frame. Up here was still good. So that's what kind of made it able to work. I know, not the best video quality, but you understand. Look at that hole right there. Ooh. All right. Well, that's all. Until if it breaks, I'll put another video on. If not, you won't see this again probably. Adios.